2023, 24, 25, 26. No return, right? I'm telling you 2027. Within 6 days. That 4 year, whatever we cried, everything, just 4 days it will cover. How? One day the Nifty will move colors. So we have to invest in India 80%. क्यों? The growth percentage is high because you are छोटा बच्चा. अब ज़्यादा खाएगा, बड़ा आएगा. लेकिन already this man, adult guy, who? China. And that guy, America, you cannot touch. The next day, again oil went to $30. The next day it's going to $40. We were very happy. सच में बता रहा हूँ. All oil and gas people like wars.
1 लाख रुपए में एफडी में इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ, 1 लाख रुपए में मार्केट में डालता हूँ. इंडिया की इकोनॉमी के लिए अच्छा क्या है?
India's 140 crores of people having a demat account is 1%. In America, 66% having demat account. That is what their market is. Such a big market. मेरे पास डिग्री है सर, मेरे को एक कार दे दो, देगा क्या? Your education will give the awareness. The skills will give the success.
यूएस ईरान का जो वॉर है, यूएस को नुकसान हो भी रहा है, कितना नुकसान हो रहा है या फिर एक्चुअल में फायदा हो रहा है यूएस को?
This war, it is a plan for colonialism. Second is,
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इन्वेस्टिंग विद धन्स पॉडकास्ट. आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट मिस्टर मदुरई वीरन, द मनी कोच. थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर डूइंग दिस. इट इज़ अ प्लेजर हैविंग यू विद अस.
संदेश बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और आपका कोऑर्डिनेटर कौन कोऑर्डिनेट करके मेरे को उधर से इधर तक बुलाया. थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम बीइंग हियर ग्रेटफुल एंड प्लेजर टू यू मीट यू एंड थैंक्स टू धन टीम.
सर, फॉर आवर ऑडियंस, आज हम बात करेंगे इंडिया के मैक्रो सीन के बारे में. व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड इंडियाज़ मैक्रो सीन. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. ट्रम्प टैरिफ, क्रूड ऑयल में चल रहा है, चाइना, रशिया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही है और लोगों में बहुत कन्फ्यूजन है कि व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड द मार्केट्स. बट बिफोर वी डाइव इनटू दैट, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोगों को बताओ कि आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा है. व्हाट ऑल कंट्रीज हैव यू वर्कड इन, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ है जानने के बारे में और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है, तो सारे लोगों को पता चलनी चाहिए ये. तो आई वॉन्ट यू टू टेल कि स्टार्टिंग आपने कहाँ से, कौन से देश से स्टार्ट किया है और कहाँ कहाँ ट्रैवल किया है आपने.
ठीक है. सच बोलेगा तो मेरा कैरियर स्टार्टेड एज अ रोड मैकेनिक. रोड मैकेनिक मैंने तिरुचि इज अ टायर सिटी का एक जगह है तमिलनाडु से. आई वॉज अ रोड मैकेनिक. रोड मैकेनिक से मेरा काम शुरू की. उधर से रोड मैकेनिक हर दिन का 10 रुपया. दैट इज व्हाट माय सैलरी, द फर्स्ट सैलरी. इन एज ऑफ 15, हैविंग द मनी इन द हैंड, हैंडलिंग द मनी, आई वॉज एक्सपीरियंस इन 15. ऑल द पीपल आर हैविंग स्कूल and I was earning the money. I thought I am brilliant. लेकिन वो गलत है. लेकिन I thought that अरे एज ऑफ 15 मेरे को हर दिन पैसा मिल रहा है. I was very happy. So I started in 10 rupees. Then first the countries, as you question, I started in Sharjah, then Sharjah to Kuwait, Kuwait to Iraq, Iraq to Qatar, Qatar to Oman, Oman to Dubai. So God grace, I was worked in many oil and gas companies in Middle East. The Middle East given a great exposure to me. What is happening in oil and gas sector, oil, energy, how the energy sector is working, what is behind, what politics it is involved, why the project is coming, what is the geopolitics, everything I seen as a person in the field. So it is actually मेरे को पैसा भी आया, अच्छा पैसा भी आया, 0 टैक्स, और सीखने के लिए भी ज़्यादा मिला. और अच्छा आदमियों को देखा है, बहुत देश का आदमियों को, बहुत मल्टीनेशनल पीपल आई वॉज वर्कड. सो दैट इज व्हाट माय एक्सपीरियंस. आई वेंट टू ऑल मिडिल ईस्ट कंट्रीज. आई वर्कड.
तो जहाँ जहाँ पे भी ऑयल था, यू हैव बीन देयर बेसिकली मिडिल ईस्ट में.
सही है. माय प्रोफाइल इज हाई वांटेड प्रोफाइल. ऑयल एंड गैस में अगर इंडिया पे अगर 20-25 पीपल अगर आप देखेंगे, वांटेड पीपल इज अ वांटेड मीन्स you have to be there to run that project. In that 20 people I am the one. So wanted. नौकरी में अगर जाएंगे, लिंक्डइन पे अगर जाएंगे, my profile is hot. मैं ऐसा रखा है, क्यों? ज़्यादा कंट्री में मैं गया, ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर. wherever you are going to exposure, you are getting more experience. Whenever you get a more experience, demand is high to acquire you, recruit you.
सो कमिंग टू माई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इतने सालों में आपने बहुत सारे ऑयल के प्राइस $100-120 पर बैरल देखा होगा, फिर नीचे भी आया, कॉल के टाइम पे 50-60 पे भी गया. एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में ऑलमोस्ट फ्यूचर्स तो नेगेटिव भी हो गए थे, हमने देखा. तो पिछले इतने सालों के एक्सपीरियंस में एक आपका कोई मोमेंट जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि यार मतलब समथिंग वेरी रेयर होगा और कंफ्यूजिंग, जो आपको लगा कि यार समझ नहीं आ रहा है व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट?
It was in 2020 COVID time.
हम्म
I was in Abu Dhabi.
हम्म
We were doing drilling in a seashore,
हम्म
drilling in land.
हम्म
So though area, there is a two areas called onshore and offshore.
हम्म
We'll do drilling,
हम्म
take a oil, send to refinery,
हम्म
make it naphtha,
हम्म
petrol, diesel, gasoline, LPG, everything. It is happening in refinery. When crude price below zero,
हम्म
we got an email from companies. You are getting a salary. The company said you are getting a salary. Don't worry. But if it is continue this $0
हम्म
for 3 months and 4 months,
हम्म
you may see layoff.
हम्म
We were shocked because अरे तेल का प्राइस अगर इतना हो गया तो
हम्म
खरीदने के लिए कोई नहीं है,
हम्म
प्राइस हो गया, फिर प्रोफेशनल के क्या देना पड़ेगा?
हम्म
Why need to pay?
हाँ हाँ
मैंने आपने तो क्रूड कितना 300 मीटर तक जा रहा है, 1000 मीटर तक जा रहा है, ड्रिल कर रहा है, ले रहा है, शिफ्टिंग कर रहा है, ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहा है, इतना काम करके आपको कितना मिल रहा है? जीरो.
जीरो
सो वी वर वेरी शॉक दैट टाइम. सो कंपनी ने मेल भेज दिया, रेडी फॉर
ले ऑफ
layoff. See, think about not only IT people, every people, every industry have a layoff, right? That I faced. I was shocked. Then just next 6 months, there was a one incident. They were attacking the Iraqi, the vice president, big position in Baghdad. The blast. The next day, again oil went to $30. The next day it's gone to $40. We were very happy. सच में बता रहा हूँ, सच बताओ संदेश.
हाँ हाँ बता.
Sorry to say, audience, whenever there is a bomb threatening, whenever there is a problem in Middle East, we are very happy. सच में बता रहा हूँ. It is true. All oil and gas people like wars. क्योंकि अगर ऑयल बढ़ेंगे, इनका सैलरी भी बढ़ेंगे. इसीलिए ऑयल एंड गैस पीपल ऑलवेज लुक द हॉट द एनवायरनमेंट.
अभी तो काफी खुश होंगे फिर.
बहुत खुश है. मेरे को कॉल आया अभी, अल्जीरिया से कॉल आया था. हर महीना का 16 लाख सैलरी, 2 साल का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. मैं तो रिटायर्ड हो गया, मैं तो रिजेक्टेड है, मैं रिजेक्ट कर दिया. लेकिन वो कंपनी ने बोल रहा सर यू हैव टू कम, प्लीज साइन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, यू हैव टू कम. आई सेड brother, already opened the YouTube, I am just retired, I am being with my kids, I already exited from the industry, छोड़ दो मेरे को. Then I referred my friends and so when there is a hot, you will have security threatening, right? Your life is threatening. See, when you are oil and gas people working in now Fujairah, in over the head missiles are going, what about your insurance, what about your salary? Triple X. Your become salary is triple X. They have to pay. They have to make it triple X your insurance. So always that situation we like oil and gas people always enjoy. When I was in Iraq, I will tell you Sandesh. सो रहा था, boom, bomb. Then किधर क्या हो गया? सर 2 किलोमीटर में एक बम डाल दिया. अच्छा 2 किलोमीटर है ना, हमारा रूम पे नहीं है ना, छोड़ दो, सो जाओ. नेक्स्ट दिन धमाल ढुमील इधर उधर रॉकेट, गन शॉट है ना. I literally, when I was there, we have a bunkers. I mean 40 इंच का कंक्रीट बंकर्स को अंदर हम रुकता है कभी कभी. When there is a gunshots, literally I can see the gunshots.
इराक में.
But they paid $400 per day. Per day $400.
Crazy.
Think about. So I made the money in the Iran because of that one. Yeah, that is what you.
So very high risk, high reward job.
High risk, high reward job. Yeah.
तो हमने देखा है कि फॉर द मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यूएस ने डोमिनेट किया है ये पूरा सिस्टम, और यूएस का जो पेट्रो डॉलर है वो ही चलता था. बट अब हम देख रहे हैं कि ब्रिक्स और चाइना सब बहुत सारे ऑल्टरनेटिव ढूंढ रहे हैं. तो आपको लगता है कि गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इट विल बी लाइक अ न्यू वर्ल्ड ऑर्डर क्रिएट हो रहा है अभी?
Yeah, good question, Sandesh. I think you've done research. I guess you've done a research. Yeah, something happening, world change order it is happening around us. The viewers also must know. Each individuals in India must know what is happening सराउंडिंग अस. कौन कौन ये वीडियो देख रहा है,
हम्म,
सब ध्यान पे सुनना पड़ेगा. अभी क्या हो रहा है आपके साथ, आपके
हम्म,
लाइफ में साथ. आप तो इंडिया पे है, करेक्ट, यू आर इन इंडिया, एंड थिंक अबाउट सराउंडिंग व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. स्ट्रेट इज क्लोज्ड.
हम्म,
आज का दिन
हम्म,
February 28 बॉम्ब डाला,
हम्म,
शुरू किया
हम्म,
इसराइल एंड अमेरिका.
हम्म,
टिल डेट
हम्म,
there is no it is open.
हम्म,
But tomorrow you need LPG in your house. Your kid want to go to school. For that you need a transportation, right?
हम्म,
For that you need a petrol and diesel.
हम्म,
For that you need to import the gas and oil.
हम्म,
But we are not getting. Maybe it will affect your kids' education.
हम्म,
Maybe tomorrow you cannot make it a cooking in a house.
हम्म,
Maybe tomorrow there will be no gas in the hotels.
हम्म,
Right? Maybe when there is a fertilizer not coming to your country, fertilizers,
हम्म,
when the fertilizer not coming into your country, how you will do the
फार्मिंग,
farming? When the farming is not happening, monsoon is not good, then food crisis will come. When the food crisis will come, think about oil price. Oil is not there, food crisis is not is happening, then repo rate hike will there. When the repo rate is hike,
हम्म,
then your EMI has to pay.
या
But already it is a oil and gas a problem. So already the companies are doing started to sending off layoff.
हम्म,
When the layoff, food crisis, oil crisis, repo rate hike, higher loan, what is this? This is world change order. It is happening. It is coming to your door. Those who done the war in Strait of Hormuz, इतना छोटा जगह, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम किधर आ रहा है, हमारा घर को अंदर आ रहा है. So we need to be cautious, not only politicians, all the citizens be cautious, so that we are telling that at least invest in India. This is the right time. P तो कम है, cheap भी लग रहा है. कौन कौन SIP कर रहा है, continue the SIP. Maybe definitely we will come out of the situation within 4 months and 5 months. I guess our politician and our rulers are maybe they are brilliant more than us. हम तो क्या podcast में बात करने के लिए हैं, हम कौन है? Policy makers are big thinking, right? They will change. So don't lose your confidence on Indian market. रुको. लेकिन I am telling you, Sandesh, I am not a SEBI register, I am not a consultant or a consult advisor, but I am telling you 2023, 24, 25, 26, no return, right? I am telling you 2027, within 6 days, 6 days, that 4 year, whatever we cried, we suffered, everything, just 4 days it will cover. How? One day the Nifty will move on 5%, second day 3%, third day 2%, colors, finish. Whatever you cried in a 4 year, it will make you just 5 days.
But
It is going to happen.
हाँ,
It is going to happen. Those who are patiently wait, they will be winner. It is testing you. Market will testing you, punish you. अरे निकलो, अगर आपका पैशन है, पैशंस है, अब रुको. So there are some people already they left, because that 5 days, those who are going to stand, they are going to enjoy the treat. So party है, but you have to wait.
मतलब मार्केट सबको फिल्टर कर देगा कि जो लोग डिजर्व नहीं करते वो फिल्टर आउट हो जाएंगे, और जो रहेंगे मार्केट में इन्वेस्टेड, बेसिकली लॉन्ग टर्म आपको इन्वेस्टेड रहना है मार्केट में. दैट इज
what we want to teach our people. Don't expect the return on 1 year, 2 years, single year. Just give a time for the market. What is happening from 2020 to 26? Exponential 3x, 4x. Now this is market taking in a marathon, taking a relax in the sitting in the relax in somewhere. Again the marathon will start. When it is going to start running, you cannot catch. Stand there. So come to your point, the macro things. Can I tell you in this way? Those who are ये देख रहा है video, what America is doing, macro. He was inaugurated as a president January 20, 2025. Join करने के समय he was saying, Trump, he was saying, I want to rename the mountain. There is one mountain. He want to rename the mountain name William McKinley. Who is the William McKinley? William McKinley is the 25th president of US. He is the one introduced to the world tariff.
Okay.
He is the one started colonialism. He is the one started imperialism. You know imperialism? You heard about the imperialism? Samrajwad. Imperialism. Putting all the countries down, saying that I am a big guy, give me the money, tariff. The day he announced Gulf of Mexico become a name of Gulf of America. The next 1 week he said Venezuela for me.
Yeah.
He attacked the Venezuela.
Yeah.
He captured. What is his name? Colonialism.
Hmm.
And what he said next 2 महीना पे क्या बोला? Cuba को क्या बोला? Cuba is a cute country. I will put it in pocket. Then what he said? Mexico. He said Mexico. One day it will for me. And what he said? Greenland. Greenland. He said to all the Finnish guys is that Greenland maybe I will go and do the
Yeah.
drilling over the. So what he's doing?
Hmm.
Colonialism. Recolonism. You know the Marco Rubio. The guy, he's the one, the security level of guy. He was talking in the Munich in a security conference. Literally saying, you can, those who are watching, you can go and see that video.
Hmm.
He was saying, all the citizens in the world, they are thinking they are independent. They are citizen of the country, which is full.
Hmm.
Dear EU people, dear Europeans, be aware. We need to start like the 90s, 1940. All the countries to report to us. We have to be ruled. Be ready for colonialism. He said. He started Venezuela. Then he thought that Iran also same like Venezuela go on attack and capture. But it has not happened. बम्बू दे दिया वापस सही दे दिया ईरान ने सही दे दिया 45 years they are waiting for that, you know.
Yeah.
45 years there is one country waiting for this war.
Yeah.
In 45 years before, they prepared a Shashad, that
Bases and all.
ये ना bases नहीं है, वो पर्वत का अंदर है ड्रोन.
हाँ.
इसका नाम शशाद, एक ड्रोन है. $2,000. It's going to hit 2 million of missiles.
Missiles, yeah.
So the low cheaper Shashad they prepared around 2 lakh, 3 lakh drones. How many years? 45 years. They knows the one day the culprit will come to us. Simple. And the next day what he did? He came with the tariff. India 150%, China 100%, Vietnam. You said right?
Yeah.
What is the name? What is it? He want to make us like before 1947 we got an Independence Day. Before who's ruled us? Ruled by somebody.
Yeah.
What we did, given the tariff.
Yeah, correct.
He introducing that same now. So he want to get control of total Asia, even NATO team, Europe. He want to cover entire. He want to change the map. Even I will tell you. When he joined at 7th day, he made one AI photo. I can share you the photo. AI photo, he showing to Canadian, European minister, all minister. He is saying that map, that flags, the entire, the Canada also it is US flag. He made. He said, this is my new world map. Look, everybody, within 1 year I will make it.
Iran was also US.
He was there. Iran also was there. So he was simple that रात को रात जाना, इराक को अटैक करना, नेक्स्ट डे
पूरा ऑयल
स्ट्रेट ऑफ फार्मर्स को कवर करके टोल फीस कलेक्ट करना
सारी कंट्रीज से सबसे
टोल कलेक्शन दैट वाज हिज एम. मैं बता रहा हूँ साइंटिफिकल प्रूवन. ऑयल किधर ज्यादा है? रिजर्वर, फर्स्ट रिजर्व, हाईएस्ट रिजर्व इन वेनेजुला. 800 years का ऑयल है, कैप्चर कर दिया फर्स्ट. सेकंड इज सऊदी. Saudi already connected with the petrodollar, already signed it. He cannot sell the dollar, he cannot sell the oil in other currency. He has to sell in USD. Okay?
Yeah, correct.
The third is Iran. Now Iran is attacked. अगर हमारा पास है तो हमारा पास अटैक करेगा वो. लेकिन हमारा पास डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स.
अच्छा, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स
हमारा पास क्या है?
करेक्ट डेयरी.
अरे उनका पास ऑयल है, हमारा पास क्या है? एग्रीकल्चर. इसीलिए कल का रात भी ही इज नॉट साइनिंग द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. वो देख रहा था किधर लिखा है डेयरी प्रोडक्ट चाहिए इंडिया से. ही नोस इंडिया कैन सर्वे बाय द डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स, पोल्ट्री फार्म्स. I mean what do you call the eggs, by eggs, by farming, by having you know क्या बोलता रहा ये farm, dairy farm, dairy farm, poultry farm and chicken farm. That's this thing. If it is there, India can survive without oil. They knows. So they are making the tariff on our dairy. So this is a macro changes. Now Brazil doing something, China having rare earth. China challenging everybody because they have a rare earth.
Yeah.
More than 67 rare earth they have.
Hmm.
You tell me, Sandesh, you want to send 1 second,
Hmm.
4 TB data send करने का chance है? 1 second.
नहीं.
chance नहीं है ना?
Hmm.
But there is a chip is there.
Hmm.
They have the material. अभी
China?
एल्यूमिनियम है, कंडक्टिविटी है, उसमें 100 MB आ जाएगा.
Hmm.
सिल्वर है तो दूसरा,
Hmm.
कॉपर है तो दूसरा.
Hmm.
There is some beryllium, germanium, there is many
Hmm.
मैग्नो पार्टिकल.
Hmm.
उसमें अगर गाड़ी पे रखेंगे, मोबाइल पे रखेंगे, हमारा डिफेंस सेक्टर पे रखेंगे, मिनट्स ऑफ सेकंड्स इट विल ट्रांसफर 1 trillion.
And they are
1 TB.
and they are using it already.
Yeah, 1 TB is can transfer. That the rare earth they have. So America they want the rare earth.
Hmm.
वो rare earth हमको दे दो, because there are some product has to prepare in defense, defense, all your defense item, the tanker and missiles, that metal has to be prepared in that one. Yeah. And semiconductor, for the semiconductor this is इतना चिप है, छोटा चिप है, इसमें डालने के लिए that raw material it is चाहिए rare earth. rare earth चाहिए. So rare earth मतलब सिंपल है, जो कोई नहीं देख रहा, कुछ नहीं है, मट्टी को अंदर हमारा कनिमम बोलता है, दरार कनिमम है, वो उसको लेंगे, हम प्रोसेस करेंगे, केमिकल प्रोसेस करेंगे, लेके आएंगे, इतना छोटा सा चिप है बस. सेम लेके मैग्नेट. सो 95% दे हैव. सो एंड देन जापान का पास अभी क्या, ही हैज द वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट अमेरिकन बॉन्ड्स. हु हैव? जापान अगर कल रात अगर वो प्लान करेगा अमेरिका को गिरना, ही कैन डू दैट.
इंटरेस्ट रेट भी कम है ना.
Yes.
That is the
just selling their American bonds, they can do anything, but they are not allowing. America will not allow. So this is all happening surrounding us. India is simply we are dependent. We are just consumers. We are just dependent. Only thing हमारा देश का अभी हमारा रूल मेकर्स है, एटलीस्ट दे आर मेंटेनिंग द गुड रिलेशनशिप. इसराइल के साथ गुड रिलेशनशिप, यूक्रेन के पास गुड रिलेशनशिप, चाइना के पास गुड रिलेशनशिप, यूयू के पास मदर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन कर दिया, उनके पास डैडी का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन कर दिया. सो वी आर डूइंग जुगाड़. लिटरली वी आर डूइंग जुगाड़ का काम है. इधर उधर जाके उधर बात करना, उधर जाके इधर बात करना, उसके साथ ये साइन करना, उसके साथ वो साइन करना मेरे पास, लेकिन एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए कुछ नहीं है.
ट्रू. आई थिंक आईटी सर्विसेज वो एक चीज है जो हम थोड़ा
आईटी सर्विसेज आप बोल रहे संदेश, आप बोलो आईटी सर्विस, यू आर सेंडिंग द मैन पावर. आप ये संदेश आप बोलो, आपका मे बी यू आर जेंसी, यू आर ए किड, दोस हु आर वाचिंग, मेनी जेंसी पीपल, यू टेल मी, सुबह यू कॉल्ड मी इन व्हाट्सएप. व्हाट्सएप किधर लिस्टेड है?
यूएस.
ओके. गूगल मीट लास्ट वीक हमने कनेक्ट किया, गूगल किधर लिस्टेड है?
यूएस.
ठीक है. फेसबुक किधर लिस्टेड है?
यूएस.
अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं यूट्यूब किधर लिस्टेड है? वो कंप्यूटर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट किधर लिस्टेड है? चैट जीपीटी किधर लिस्ट गोइंग टू लिस्टेड है? हाँ,
यूएस ओनली.
यूएस है. आपका कंप्यूटर डेल कौन सा किधर लिस्टेड है? डेल का अंदर इंटेल वो किधर लिस्टेड है? भाई आपका क्या है? आपका पास क्या है? टेल मी वन प्रोडक्ट which is using by all the countries. Tell me Indian product name. Take a time.
Only services, no product. Right. Yeah.
You think about it. We are wearing the polo shoes listed. We are wearing the Levi's jeans listed. We are using the Apple phone listed. Apple watch listed. अरे हमारा क्या है? हमारा पास क्या है इंडिया पे? क्या कर रहा हम? So this we have to be think, Gen Z people, those who are here, they have to think this. अरे you prepare something, you build something. आप बोल रहे सर मैं आईटी में काम कर रहा, क्या कर रहा आईटी में? उधर कंपनी का ओनर है, उनके लिए आप काम कर रहे, यू आर स्लेवरी. आप आदमी है, काम करने का आदमी है, पैसा मिल रहा है, क्या प्रोडक्ट यू हैव? फाइनली जोगो हीगो बोल के आ रहा, श्रीधर सर ने उठा के लेके आ रहा नया जोगो. तमिलनाडु से इतना छोटा विलेज है, वो लेके आ रहा. वो छोड़ दो ठीक है, लेकिन बड़ा चाहिए, बड़ा सोचना चाहिए. लेकिन इधर क्या हो रहा मालूम है? चाय का शॉप ओपन करना स्टार्टअप है, मिक्सचर बनाने का स्टार्टअप है, आइसक्रीम बनाने का कंपनी स्टार्टअप है. ये स्टार्टअप है क्या? दिस ऑल स्टार्टअप. थिंक अबाउट इट. लेट्स गो SpaceX, व्हाट ही इज थिंकिंग. गो टू ताइवान, what they are thinking the higher level. So I'm not saying to against to our people, IT people. We are doing great services. You are not owning any product. We has to have one product. UPI we are using.
Yeah.
Inside the India we are using. It has to be spread entire world. UPI. If it is there, I can tell proudly, yeah, Indian product it is there. Any Indian product, you have to be there. But the truth is, our economy, the trillion wise, we are just 4 trillion, right? America, it is 40 trillion.
अब तो 4 से भी कम आ गया मार्केट गिरा तो.
उनका ट्रिलियन इधर है भाई. चाइना का कितना मालूम है? 29 है. वी आर जस्ट टॉडलर, बच्चा. हम बच्चा है, इधर है, उनका उधर है. लेकिन बच्चा तो सीधा जल्दी वो ग्रो करेगा, राइट? सो वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन इंडिया 80%. क्यों? द ग्रोथ परसेंटेज इज हाई बिकॉज यू आर छोटा बच्चा. अब ज्यादा खाएगा, बड़ा आएगा. लेकिन ऑलरेडी दिस मैन, adult guy, who China 29, and that guy America, you cannot touch. He is a 40 trillion. So micro changes are happening. We need to be very careful into this finance and spending culture and everything. That audience also should know about this. Yeah.
सर कमिंग बैक टू जो हमारा स्टार्ट हुआ था कि यूएस ईरान का जो वॉर है, इसमें आपने बोला कि यूएस को मान लो बम्बू कर रहा है ईरान बेसिकली, ठीक है? बट अगर ये वॉर और चलता है तो इंडिया के लिए तो और प्रॉब्लम होने ही वाला है. अगर हॉर्मस बंद रहता है और जितने टाइम बंद रहता है, मान लो इंडिया के पास 60-70 डेज़ का ऑयल रिजर्व बचा है, बट उसके बाद क्या मतलब, व्हाट इज़ द, एक तो ये चीज़. दूसरा मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर ये वॉर से यूएस को नुकसान हो भी रहा है, कितना नुकसान हो रहा है, या फिर एक्चुअल में फ़ायदा हो रहा है यूएस को? आई फील कि फ़ायदा हो रहा है नुकसान से ज़्यादा, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग तो नहीं ले पा रहे कतर कुवैत का ऑयल, ठीक है, हॉर्मस बंद है, तो रशिया से ऑयल आ रहा है थोड़ा बहुत. बाद में क्या ऑप्शन है? वेनेजुएला का ऑयल लेना पड़ेगा हमें यूएस से हाई प्राइसेस में, जिसका वो विस्कोसिटी वगैरह भी ज़्यादा है, ठीक है? तो इवेंचुअली तो हो सकता है थोड़े टाइम बाद अगर ये सब बंद ही रहता है तो हमें यूएस से ही ऑयल लेना पड़ेगा, और जितनी भी कंट्रीज इंपोर्ट करती है उनको भी यूएस से ही लेना पड़ेगा. तो यूएस के लिए तो फ़ायदा ही हो रहा है इस वॉर से. अगर डिफेंस का स्पेंडिंग उनका हटा दे अपन तो
You gone into a little deep. Okay. Actually, this war, it is a sub-plan for colonialism. Sub-plan, second plan. First is colonialism. Tariff तो लेके आया. Second is, I want to weak you. अरे इतना अच्छा बॉडी पे आप बैठा है, 4 दिन आपको खाना नहीं देगा, क्या करेगा? You will become energyless. Then I can attack you. Now, US what is doing? Simply he increase the oil by attacking the Iran. कौन कंट्री अभी अफेक्ट हो रहा है? इंडिया ले लो, सब इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, सारे इंपोर्टर कौन इंपोर्टर, सबको नुकसान है. वी आर एक्चुअली एज ही इज प्लान, वी आर बिकम अ डाउन as per IMF. Sorry to say, as per IMF, in February 27 we are in a GDP 4th place. Today we are in 7th place. Just 90 days पे ऑयल का वजह से, तेल का वजह से प्राइस उठा और इतना इंक्रीज हो गया. इसके वजह से क्या हो गया? अभी हमारा जीडीपी गिरा. हाउ ही प्लान्ड वेल. इन्वेशन, कॉलोनिज्म, इंपीरियलिज्म, ही इज डूइंग वेल प्लान्ड. सो आप बताओ, February 28 it is a $60 on barrel is a $60.
Correct.
Now it is reached up to 115. Now it is a 100. It is a 95. अभी यूएसटी में सेल करने के समय बहुत आदमी लोग को ज्यादा यूएसटी देगा. इट मीन्स यूएसटी विल स्ट्रेंथन. UST will strengthen. When the UST will strengthen, 10-year bond in America, it will strengthen. When 10-year bond, 30-year bond will strengthen, gold will crash.
Exactly.
Gold already is crashed.
It is crashing.
It is crashing.
Yeah.
So I'm coming to the point. America, well, you tell me, any one single American person is affected in this war?
No one.
They don't have any problem. सारा हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम है. ईरान में अटैक किया, वो उनका मालूम है ईरान को अटैक करेंगे, स्ट्रेट को बंद करेंगे, इंडिया विल डाउन जीडीपी. अगर जीडीपी डाउन होने के समय एफआईओ को बाहर निकलेगा, करेक्ट? सी, एफआईओ हैज टू रिमूव फ्रॉम इंडिया. व्हाट यू नीड टू डू? One, you can request as a Trump, रे एफआईओ रिमूव. go out from the Indian market,
Hmm.
or forcefully I want to remove you.
Yeah.
How? Make it GDP,
Hmm.
make it INR crash.
Hmm.
They left now.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm telling you, this is economical war against India.
Hmm.
It's well planned, I'm telling you. Colonism. It is a colonism. They want to make you as like 1947.
Hmm.
You people are India. You people are having own flag. You are doing independence, own PM. Chod do.
Hmm.
Still you are under us, US.
Hmm.
You people pay the tariff.
Hmm.
मैं तो भाब है, आप कुछ नहीं है, पैसा दे दो.
Hmm.
They are literally doing this.
Hmm.
So फायदा यूएस के लिए.
तो वॉर मतलब अगर लंबा भी चलता है तो भी यूएस का ही फायदा है,
फायदा है.
और खत्म मतलब होता है तो भी यूएस का ही फायदा है, ऐसे देखें तो
क्या फायदा है?
तो अपने लिए ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. इट्स ऑल अबाउट यूएस ओनली. एक और चीज़ भी, अब मान लो कि जैसे आपने बोला कि इंटरेस्ट रेट्स वगैरह बॉन्ड्स वगैरह स्ट्रेंथन होंगे, ठीक है, तो अभी देयर विल बी न्यू फेड चेयरमैन एंड एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि ही विल इंक्रीज
हाँ.
इंटरेस्ट रेट्स. अब इंटरेस्ट रेट इंक्रीज किया तो डॉलर विल स्ट्रेंथन अपने आप. वैसे भी
सही.
गोल्ड क्रैश करेगा, जितना गोल्ड रिजर्व कंट्रीज ने रखा इतने सालों से अभी सब क्रैश करेगा. तो अगेन दैट इज़ द प्रॉब्लम फॉर इंडिया. तो व्हाट इज़ द सॉल्यूशन तो नहीं बोल सकते अपन डायरेक्ट, बट इंडियन इन्वेस्टर्स को व्हाट शुड बी द अप्रोच, लाइक क्या चीज़ पे फोकस रखना चाहिए?
Can I tell you, maybe some people, maybe they will not accept my command.
Hmm.
Who made this gold price to 4,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees? Who made this? What is the fundamental behind the gold? If that is a company is performing, you have a fundamentals.
Hmm.
Gold के पीछे क्या fundamentals है?
फंडामेंटल सप्लाई डिमांड, आई थिंक दैट इज वन.
Supply demand, right?
हाँ.
Supply demand किधर है? हमारा आदमी लोग को डिमांड करता क्या? नहीं.
नहीं.
डिमांड किधर भी नहीं करता है, किधर भी माइनिंग नहीं है. ओनली सेंट्रल बैंक दे आर बाइंग. Okay. Again, I'm telling, this is economical war against us. They knows the bloody Indians.
Hmm.
They will keep buy the gold
Yeah.
until even if it is go $10,000.
It is all fake demand for gold and
Fake
silver.
demand, yeah. वो क्या कर रहा अमेरिका ने? अरे, these people are. I read the one article, very nice article. I seen those who have black peoples.
Hmm.
Indians are black peoples.
Hmm.
You are also black.
Hmm.
Why? When American is coming here, you and me both are black for him.
Yeah.
Okay. वो क्या करता है? आर्टिकल में मैंने पढ़ा है. There is a black people. They are buying the gold because it is contraction of your body.
Hmm.
You see, my leg. You see, now I having the ring. It is so pure. I can see there is a gold is there my hand.
Yeah.
But those who are having white skin, they don't wear it.
They don't. Yeah.
This is not contracting. So I seen. So what he's Trump and those people, they knows Indian people keep buying the gold even if it is go $10,000 for ounce.
Hmm.
So okay, 10,000 ounce पे जाने का तो हम हमारा पास माइनिंग है क्या?
नहीं.
हमारा पास गोल्ड है क्या? We are going to again import.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you are importing in 1 ounce in $10,000, you want to take it or forex currency. When
Yeah,
you
yeah.
do the foreign currency, INR will crash.
Exactly. True.
So इसीलिए they made them gold higher price. आप बताओ, just 1 month का पहले gold was peak, correct?
Hmm.
All the countries they bought.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bought मतलब क्या? USD देख के bought किया ना?
हाँ. हाँ.
अभी 26% crash.
तो बेसिक पंप एंड डंप इट इज.
अभी क्या हो रहा है? उधर अमेरिकन्स उधर बुक करके, फायदा बुक करके, प्रॉफिट बुक करके, दे आर वेटिंग फॉर स्पेसएक्स आईपीओ के लिए पैसा डालने के लिए तैयार है अभी.
हाँ, वो अभी यूएस डॉलर को बढ़ाएंगे, स्ट्रेंथन हो गया, गोल्ड वोल्ड उनका हो गया, आई थिंक डंप
डू
हो
यू
गया.
थिंक,
Yeah.
टेल मी यू संदेश, डू यू थिंक ट्रम्प आईपीओ फेल करने के लिए छोड़ेगा?
नहीं.
स्पेसएक्स,
हम्म.
एंथ्रोपिक,
हम्म.
चैट जीपीटी आईपीओ आ रहा है.
हम्म.
डू यू थिंक दिस ट्रम्प, if it is happening miserable failure in the IPO, do you think he will leave? No, he's a stock market guy.
Yeah, yeah.
He, maybe I can share you the video when he introducing the Kevin Warsh. He said, Kevin Warsh, I think our share market is very like you. Today 2% is up. Very brilliant man. Welcome on the board. He literally talking about stock market. He's a stock market guy.
Yeah, yeah.
He said Intel will go up. He said SanDisk will go up. You tell me, and that kind of PM, that kind of president, he will allow to failure the IPO?
No.
He will make sell the gold taken into IPO, that stock will skyrocket. It's going
Yes,
to
yes.
happen.
Also one more problem is कि अगर SpaceX का IPO आ ही रहा है, वैसे आ रहा है, it is going to be part of the NASDAQ 100. Yes, okay. And it is going to be part at a crazy valuation.
My
ठीक है,
God,
अब वो NASDAQ 100 के आ गया, अगर IPO फेल होता है, इट मीन्स द US मार्केट इज फेलिंग. ठीक है, तो अगर IPO फेल हो जाता है तो मार्केट क्रैश करेगा वहाँ पे, तो देयर इज नो वे दैट ही इज गोइंग टू.
अगर ये भी सोचना, अगर अमेरिकन मार्केट गिरेगा, क्रैश हो जाएगा, तो हमारा मार्केट, ये तो बच्चा है,
हाँ,
जस्ट फॉलो करेंगे बाप को. बाप क्या करता है, किधर जाता है उधर ही हम जाता है. अगर वो गिरेगा हम भी गिरेंगे फिर. एक्चुअली वी शुड नॉट, यूएस मार्केट शुड नॉट नहीं गिरना चाहिए. एक्चुअली वी शुड प्रे फॉर दैट.
या क्योंकि वो तो
यू शुड डू ग्रेट थिंग्स. यूएस आप ऊपर चलो यार, हम ग्लोबल इन्वेस्ट भी करेंगे, हम ग्लोबल इन्वेस्ट भी करेंगे, हम यूएसटी कन्वर्ट करके हम करेंगे. मेरे को 20% आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन जापान, आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन चाइना, आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन ब्राजील, आई वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन मेक्सिको. आई डोंट वांट be in 100% in India. I am an Indian nation. I love my India. I trust in India. But INR depreciation, sometimes you tell me as a single man, can you stop INR depreciation?
nothing, I can't do anything
You
about
can't do anything, but you can do. For those who are watching, I am telling you, you can do that. Just invest in 20% of global invest. You can protect your INR. Even country cannot, but you can do that.
global investing.
Yeah, gift city में जाना, invest करो. You will protect. Even the country fails, you will win. That's up to their viewer, those who are watching. They do the own analysis.
Yeah.
Let them do, go through the authorities where it is registered and everything. पढ़ के आप लोग को करना चाहिए. Let do it. But 20%
global होना चाहिए.
global होना चाहिए. See, I have a lunch pack, right? I'm just opening the lunch pack. 6 burger is there. Can you eat?
No.
Same like a Indian. चावल चाहिए, मेरे को थोड़ा सा एक चिकन चाहिए, थोड़ा सा मेरे को एक सूप चाहिए, थोड़ा सा कर्ड चाहिए, एक बनाना चाहिए, एक चपाती चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट माय टेबल. सो इसमें डाइवर्सिफिकेशन. व्हाट अबाउट IPL? यू टेल मी संदेश, इन IPL इज ओनली इंडियन प्लेयर आर देयर?
नहीं, बाहर से भी है.
बाहर से भी? क्यों बाहर से भी ले रहे? इतना डाइवर्सिफिकेशन IPL पे है, आपका पोर्टफोलियो पे नहीं है. सो वी शुड थिंक अबाउट द asset allocation little in global invest. People are thinking I am against to India. No, no, against India. So then why they bring it in a gift city in India? India abroad. Why? No, the people are maybe commenting in that. Maybe right now they will comment. Before that we will give the answer. People will tell, अरे आपका INR का अगर USD में convert करेगा तो INR will get depreciation, correct? You want to invest in global? Then वो तो गिरेगा. Then you think about, if I am booking the profit, I am taking back into my Indian account. USD coming, right? I am strengthening my country. Can I tell you, Sandesh, YouTubers are strengthening this economy. You people are
payments
earning,
are coming in
अरे
USD.
yes, USD में आ रहा है.
Hmm.
You are helping to this economy actually. YouTubers are helping this economy. Sorry to say that. I want to tell farmers are great. But this खलीकाल में ये मैं बोलना पड़ेगा. यूट्यूबर्स आर बिकम ग्रेट. कलयुग है ये, कलयुग. यूट्यूबर्स, आई नेवर थॉट इन 1980 1999 आई विल स्पीक दिस. यूट्यूबर वालों का हेल्प कर रहा है इसी देश को. मैं आई नो इंडियंस इज बिल्ड बाय फार्मर्स, dairy product. That finally now the reality what is happened, YouTubers are helping. So what? So there are many things are happening surrounding us. So global invest 20%. That's good for asset allocation. Yeah.
पर I have one question
Yeah.
on this. जैसे but we have seen कि NASDAQ तो already काफ़ी बढ़ चुका है अभी. It's at like peak levels. और अभी बात भी हो रही है AI बबल की काफ़ी
Okay.
ज़्यादा.
Okay.
ठीक है. I know कि ट्रम्प और all the policy makers in US won't let it happen.
Yeah.
ठीक है. They'll try their best to not
Yeah.
let it happen.
Yeah.
बट वैल्यूएशंस तो क्रेजी हैं. मतलब SpaceX की ले लो या फिर OpenAI की या फिर किसी भी कंपनीज की, अगर OpenAI वगैरह जो भी लिफ्ट होते हैं, तो देयर कैन बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि एक AI बबल या क्रैश हो सकता है. ठीक है. तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है, और इज इट रिस्की टू इन्वेस्ट इन US मार्केट अभी?
Those who are starting and invest right now in the top, I'm telling you, maybe the people will think without knowing the investment methodology. When the market is top, you are putting the first SIP, first installment. market will now crash 10%. Now do again investing in a second month. Third month again 30%, 20% is crash. Again you are doing a third month SIP, third month pumping. The fourth month it will go on. You are the winner. We have to get crash. But I'm telling you, you know shovel and pickle, you know the strategy? I will tell you the strategy. Maybe that will help for our strategy called shovel and pick. You know shovel,
Yeah.
shovel and pickaxe. When there was a California in 90s, 80s, they found the gold mining. They found there is a gold is there. So all the world people, the miners, they came on to get into the gold. Okay. So there is a one company, those who selling the shovel and pick, he changed the price into 4x. The people who came to get into that mining, anyway they want to buy. That shovel and because they sold like anything that year. Huge profit they made. Okay, I'm coming to you. Now this strategy, अगर आपका गोल्ड मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है, आपका गोल्ड मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, that is not a matter, but your sub category it is going to sell, correct? The same way AI will make it, whether it is good or bad, whether you are going to rock, the subcategory of AI you have to make it what? Power.
Okay.
Power. AI के लिए क्या चाहिए? Power. You invest in AI or investing in power? Investing in AI, it can be bubble, as you said. अगर मेरे को gold मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, I don't know. I'm going to mine. I'm going to do AI installation. अगर AI installation काम करेगा नहीं करेगा, I don't know. But think about the power subcategory, first layer, second layer of strategy. So I will investing in power, investing in power grid, investing in substation, investing in switch gears, investing in cables,
Data centers.
investing in data center, investing in HVAC, investing in AC. Best strategy, not in AI.
So companies who are or in sectors who are going to use AI or building AI.
Building AI, infrastructure, data, the infra, and cables and power grid, power generation, power transportation. There our focus should be there, not in direct AI. This is called shovel and pickle strategy. We have to think, you tell me now. Now I will ask you, you have to answer me. Now there is a one India IPO is coming. Example, for you the task now. That company name is EV. Okay, EV, vehicle automotive, they are coming. You tell me now this IPO is coming. They are promising for a year they are going to make EV car 2 crore EV car, 2 crore two-wheelers. You tell me where you will invest. Pick and shovel strategy. Tell me.
Where those car will be used or?
No, they will use it in India. They are going to produce. Now you want to investor. As you are the investor, where
I
you
will invest in infra like charging stations.
Very good. Yeah.
Companies who are making semiconductors or solar basically.
मैं बता रहा हूँ वो गाड़ी को क्या चाहिए, बैटरी चाहिए, लिथियम चाहिए.
Lithium, yeah.
लिथियम पे आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. Not in that car.
Yeah.
लिथियम. Okay, लिथियम किधर मिलेगा?
India. नहीं, lithium is
माइन करना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ.
So माइनिंग कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा.
बट इंडिया में माइनिंग कंपनी
लिथियम है. कभी कभी लद्दाख में इधर उधर बोल रहे ना. नहीं एग्जाम में बोला ना. I said example. So you have to be in lithium, you have to be in mining, you have to be in charging portal, you have to be in electrical socket and everything. The consumer part of you, not in that IPO. You got it? That is what we have to do, not in the direct product. The sub-product you have to be. That, Warren Buffett, he not investing in oil, he investing in the pipeline. How clarity? Why? Oil rate can change, but transmission cannot change.
Yeah.
Hot thoughts, big thoughts. So what we investor, see, ये तो बड़ा बात है. आप तो इन्वेस्ट कर दो, डाइवर्सिफिकेशन कर दो, but you are thinking in a very intelligent way. You want to think about this way. So first layer, second layer, third layer of investment, you can do that. That's what we have.
तो सर हमने देखा है कि अभी भी बहुत सारे इंडियंस एफडी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं,
हम्म
बट आर बैंक्स फूलिंग इंडियंस बाय गिविंग देम द आइडिया टू इन्वेस्ट इन एफडीज? तो
So-
अभी पिछले एक साल में मार्केट ने रिटर्न दिया नहीं है, पीपल आर थिंकिंग कि गोइंग बैक टू एफडीज 6-7% तो दे रहे हैं, तो
Can I tell you the math?
हम्म,
Those who are watching, those who put FD, just think about the inflation 7%. Your FD is 6%. 2020 you put 50 lakhs. Now today it is 32 lakhs. Simple. But your bank manager will tell 50 lakhs become 55 lakhs. Number wise 55 lakhs is correct. But the value wise it is 32 lakhs. Who is going to be calculate this? Because every year 7% your inflation. The banks are paying on 6%. But संदेश के साथ एफडी ले लेंगे 6%, मैं हाउस लोन देगा 9%, 3% मेरा पॉकेट पे रखेंगे. That is what banks are doing. See, banks are doing their own job. Let them do it. There is no problem. But Indians should think about it. बेसिक ऑफ नॉलेज सीखेंगे, क्या इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है, क्या मेरा हॉस्पिटल में जाएगा तो 15% बढ़ गया, हाउस रेंटल 10% बढ़ गया, कंजप्शन रेट बढ़ गया, फूड का खाना वगैरह जोमेटो स्विगी उसमें 10% बढ़ गया, मेरा स्कूल फीस 20% बढ़ गया, मेरा सैलरी 3% बढ़ रहा. मेरा सैलरी, those who are watching this HR, please kindly take your employees, please check how much giving to this your employees. Sorry to say 3% they are paying. मैंने चेन्नई पे मैंने देख रहा था, एक लेडी traveling in a two-wheeler, attending the MS, Teams meet, and phone pay. हाँ sir, yes, we can do it the next week. What is doing? I was just crossing, what is doing? Wow, meeting, MS meeting, he is attending. Then she was stopped. I said, रुका है मैंने, मैडम what you are doing in this? He said, sir, what to do sir, मेरा को बच्चा है वो वेट कर रहा है, कंपनी ने बोला है ये मीटिंग अटेंड करना पड़ा है, इसलिए मैं ट्रैफिक में अटेंड करके मैं आ रहा हूँ. मैं सिंपल मैंने पूछा है, व्हाट इज योर सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट दिस ईयर? ही सेड, सर 4% सर. शी वाज वेरी हैप्पी फॉर 4% एज अ slavery guy. I told you know what is it, inflation. I took only 2 minutes of that conversation in the road. That was a signal, 7% your inflation, you are getting a 4%, you are happy for that, working in a road, attending in a meeting. अरे इतना बढ़ गया, इतना. So people are putting in a FD without knowing that what is the rate, what is going on. So FD thinking that people are having, that is a safety. See, Indian mentality in 90s, 80s, they thought safety is priority. 90s, they thought safety is priority. 2000, they came on equity, slight taking risk. 2010, slight taking risk in mutual fund. 2020-25, they are coming into the bond, taking the risk. Indians must change the mentality, not in a safety. You think about the growth, not in safety. Safety चाहिए भाई, या safety चाहिए, कब चाहिए? मेरा पोता, मेरा grandfather, everyone there look for safety. I don't want safety now. I need a growth. Growth is where is there? Equity, global invest, bonds. उधर चलो. I'm investing in a bonds. I'm getting an interest. 11%. And the 11% I am investing in global invest. I made it like a pumping system. How? You think about the not. If you are putting, those who are putting in FD, you are thinking you are brilliant. Sorry to say, this is not a brilliant. You are fool actually. You are fool. But it is you did yourself is a mistake. FD. So इसलिए take care of your FD. Safety is priority. There is no doubt on it. But growth is also required. You have to beat that inflation, you have to beat that hospitalization, insurance and everything it is. 20%, 30% is increase. Still you are sitting with a 4%, 3%, 5%, nothing. So up to them that decide. We are not a financial advisor to say that. But what is the truth behind that? I am telling you, it will make you poor. FDs.
सर एफडी वाले का ही अगला क्वेश्चन ये था कि अगर 1 लाख रुपए में एफडी में इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ, 1 लाख रुपए में मार्केट में डालता हूँ, इंडिया की इकोनॉमी के लिए अच्छा क्या है? मतलब व्हाट इज बेटर फॉर इंडियाज इकोनॉमी?
See, you are going into deep. If you are investing in equity, I'm telling you, investing in equity, you are helping an economy and GDP. It means you are giving to the company. The company they are making in a capex. When the companies grow, the employee will grow. When the employee will grow, the family will grow. You are helping for the company. That is what you are investing in a company. Putting in a FD, you are helping the banks. Okay, I know, agree. They are going to loan for another one person for a house loan, car loan, whatever. That's okay. But what percentage they given? They are giving a strong. They are outside, right? More they are giving percentage. But investing in a equity, definitely it is saying that you are investing in an Indian economy. You are helping the Indian economy. You tell me. India's 140 crores of people having a demat account is 1%. In America, 66% having demat account.
Yeah, correct.
That is what their market is. Such a big market. Indians are not even 1%. Still people are. I'm telling you, all the Gen Z people, talk to your family, talk to your father and mother, explain that what is happening in India. If you are having a FD, if you are putting in chit funds, oh my God, chit funds. So many chit funds are here, bogus, MLM, Fonzie scheme. People are going to fall. At least go and see whether it is RBI regulated. SEBI is involved on it. When there is no regulator, nothing there, people are having. In Chennai, I am telling you, there are many people that lost the money in chit funds. Crores and crores. क्या बोलता है? इतना percentage आ रहा, I'm जा रहा हूँ. So market in equity only one thing. FD तो सही टाइम पे आपका इंटरेस्ट मिल जाएगा. That is I know. लेकिन market, it is not predicted. It is not fixed that you will get. But in this 3 year, and can I tell you, in this 3 year, there are 300 stock given 900 return, 900%. 300 stock, 900% is return in the 3 year. I'm talking about personal stock. I'm not talking about the index. I mean the index. Index तो 0 पे रुका है. But there are stocks are performing very well. So if you are having a perfect ETF or perfect asset allocation, definitely you will be in a plus. But investing in equity, it is helping in India. Also, it will make you rich. Those who are watching in a 21, 22, 23, first salary, first payout itself, you invest in a 30% in a market. Just hold it. You tell me, Sandesh, I am taking off 1 lakh. I have 1 lakh. You said 1 lakh, right? You said 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh. I'll choose 10 stocks. How many? 10 stock, how many I will put? 10,000. Yeah, 10 stock, 10,000. You tell me, and that 10,000 in one stock, how much I can lose the money?
10,000 in one stock. अगर stock 15-20% भी गिर गया तो
चलो और कुछ चलो.
30%.
चलो और कुछ चलो.
50%.
चलो भाई.
70%.
चलो भाई.
100%.
100%. कितना है? 10,000 you can lose. If you make it upside, tell me the range.
Unlimited कितना भी आ सकता है.
There is the equity secret. Your profit is unknown. The risk is known. If you made 10,000 in 10 stock, 3 is failure. 10,000, 30,000. Think about balance 70,000. It can make 1000x. That's what I'm telling those who are watching. Make a good diversification to pharma, to auto, to fertilizer, to oil and gas,
to global investing.
To global invest. सब mix करके रखो. Forget your password and user ID. That is see what I did for my daughters. I have my daughter account 2 accounts. One is I already made 20 stocks. Each stock 50,000. User ID forget. User ID for password I forget. I will open on 20 years later. I made it already. I told my daughter, you are crorepati. I told my daughter, you are crorepati. Whether you are studying, you are failing, I don't care. आप छोटा सा एक डिग्री ले लो बस. I will not force you. छोटा सा डिग्री ले लो. I will not come for your max कितना है, अब अलजीब्रा में कितना लिया, साइंस पे कितना लिया, because अलजीब्रा will not help in your life. आप पढ़ाए क्या पढ़ाए अब संदेश? इंजीनियरिंग. अलजीब्रा किधर लाइफ में किधर यूज कर रहा अब? पढ़ाए बोला ये लोग पढ़ाओ बोला, किधर आपका हेल्प कर रहा अभी? नहीं. If you are investing in the same age in equity, it will help you. Yeah. It will give you the return. Finally, people are coming for money, right? Finally, what people are looking? money. You want to go to now tomorrow hospital. Tomorrow you want to go on the premium of insurance. Tomorrow you're going for buying the product. You need a money.
Yeah.
मेरे पास डिग्री है सर, मेरे को एक कार दे दो सर, देगा क्या? Your education will give the awareness. The skills will give the success. That is what I learned. You need education. That true. But it will not make you rich. It will not make you rich. How many Sundar Pichai we are going to see in India?
बहुत कम.
बहुत कम. But if you are investing in India, 100% you can be rich if you are maintaining a good asset allocation. What I did for my daughter. मैंने इस सर में कर दिया, मैंने छोड़ दिया. 20 years later I will open. Maybe in that 20 stock there will be a failure 10 stock. That's enough for me. I am ready to lose. The balance in 2 stocks, it make exponential. It will make you 10 crores and 15 crores. That's enough for me. That's my mindset. Yeah.
Sir, coming to the last part, अभी हमको पता है कि going for the next few months market और in general economy बहुत uncertain है. हमें पता नहीं है क्या होने वाला है. और as you advised कि long term में invested रहना है, diversification is very important.
Yeah.
But क्योंकि uncertainty है तो लोगों को क्या चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी है, like maybe लाइफस्टाइल को लेके या फिर क्या क्या चीज़ें माइंड में रखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती है, लोगों को आइडिया ही नहीं है कि ये सारी चीज़ें हो सकता है कि घर पे गैस ना आए या फिर क्रूड ऑयल ना हो तो आपका गाड़ी ना चल पाए. तो व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स दे शुड कीप इन माइंड?
ये क्वेश्चन पूछा है ना, ऑलरेडी प्रधानमंत्री ने दे दिया. 7 points he given. But you asked me the question. ऑलरेडी प्रधानमंत्री ने नीचे तक आके वो बोल रहा था गोल्ड खरीद मत, ऑयल कम यूज कर, बाहर जाके शादी मत कर, टूरिज्म बाहर नहीं चल, सब बोल रहे ना. He already told. Have you seen any PM coming down until? I seen. In my age of 20-25, I seen Greece PM. He came for that same statement. The third year, Greece become a bankrupt. I seen. Greece was bankrupt. When the PM coming to the people, up to down earth he coming and begging to the people, don't buy the gold. It's a lost option to the people. So those who are watching the people, I'm just saying, stop buying the gold. I'm saying, अगर शादी हो गया, अभी एक बच्चा आ गया, you खरीदो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, 20% रखो. It is an insurance and hedging purpose, 20% रख दो. But if you are buying in a gold, if you are thinking that you are brilliant, no. If you are buying the gold, it is harming our economy. It is planned by American. Are you going to help the American? Are you going to help that colonialism? Are you going to help that imperialism? Or you are going to be Indian? Oil चाहिए, life को चाहिए. Gold चाहिए क्या? Gold you can eat. Oil tomorrow you can use it, you can transport, you can go for something. It is life necessary. Gold, luxury. You are going for outside शादी के लिए वो जा रहा, मत करो. इंडिया पे बहुत जगह है. मेरा शादी मेरा कुलदेव का टेम्पल में मैंने किया. My marriage. I didn't go for a 5-star hotel. No, I went for village where there is no power. For my village, I put DG. There is no, that village is no power. We went for there. It's, my shadi, it is only 3 lakh in 2012. So outside if you are going for pride के लिए मैं जा रहा हूँ, एक reel के लिए जा रहा हूँ. You know that people are buying the car for reels. You believe this? किधर जल रहा है इंडिया? For एक reel के लिए गाड़ी खरीद रहा है. In Dubai, I seen a nameplate. You know nameplate, the single digit. The single digit nameplate. 5 crore.
Yeah.
Rich. Why India cannot make this? You make it revenue. Make it actor and actress, change it 1 digit. Ask them 2 crore, 3 crore. पूछो यार, उनको एक नंबर दे दो. अरे पैसा कमाने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. सेम लाइक वी आर फॉलोइंग द यूएई. सिंपल. यूएई का मेट्रो ट्रेन का आप देखा है? स्टॉप का नाम देखा है? दुबई का मेट्रो स्टेशन का नाम है, सुपर नेम है. रियलिटी, सोपा रियलिटी, गोल्ड सिटी, इक्विटी. स्टॉप का नाम इक्विटी. हाउ दे आर कमिंग इनटू सबकॉन्शियस. दो इक्विटी दे दो. Their economical hub. Now we are changing into currency, into plastic currency, right? Already done Dubai.
Yeah.
So Dubai done for the nameplates 5 crore. Make it in India also. I am telling you, the revenue department, the transport department, you make it as a VIP. Those who are here going big money, they don't know what to do with this money. Make them in a single digit. Give it a single digit like a Maharashtra. M much is 05, one number. Give it VIP number. But ask the 10 crore. Toll free, सब free दे दो उसको. कमाओ यार. India can do this. प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला है, just you follow that. Those who don't like it, you at least last resort is emergency fund. Make it your emergency fund 6 महीने के लिए रख दो. There it comes on gold 20% your interest insurance. You get it? मेरा सैलरी को 6 महीने को मेरे को फंड emergency fund रखना. That is your gold only. Not in cash. Don't keep in your cash. Keep the gold 20%. At least keep your savings into emergency fund, because we are going to see. I'm sorry to say, I love India. India will grow. I know, but this bloody people, those who are geopoliticals, if we make them again war, keep hot. That oil, it is become a 250 or 150. Definitely INR will crash. 120, 130 will go. In that time, there will be layoff. You can see multiple layoff. Everybody will be in the home. So in that situation, like a COVID, there is a chance to come. For that, you need a emergency fund. You should have emergency fund outside शादी, outside tourism, gold खरीदना और oil कम use करना. If you have a gas cylinder leak, you सही कर दो. कब ज़्यादा टाइम आप बार बार टी को कॉफ़ी को हॉट करना, टेम्परेचर करना, वो मत करो. Right? And going into the transportation, go with the multiple people, like 4 people, 5 people, go with the pulling, not by the single. Or use the public transportation, use the cycle. Avoid this using of oil. Simple, man. If you are using oil, you are burning USD. Agree or not?
Correct.
If you are using LPG, you are burning USD, correct or not? It means you are helping USD, you are putting down our INR. So that is what everybody is think, come use karo. Yeah.
Great advice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for doing this. It was a very insightful session. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you guys have any feedback, do let us know in the comment section. And if you want to ask someone in our next podcast, and if you have any advice for the next video, do let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.